potential Carson during Hank's meeting with S.H.I.E.L.D. San Quentin State Prison when Scott is released from prison. San Quentin State Prison when Scott is released from prison. Yellowjacket during the entire movie. Yellowjacket during the entire movie. The Wasp during Hank's flashback. The Milgrom Hotel during Scott's burglary meetings. The Milgrom Hotel during Scott's burglary meetings. No thanks, Avengers when Scott suggests calling in the super team. Before he fully accepts his fate as Ant-Man, Paul Rudd's Scott Lang suggests calling in the Avengers to take care of things. But Hank Pym is as suspicious of Earth's mightiest heroes as he is of S.H.I.E.L.D., saying that they are probably too busy dropping cities from the sky, which is of course a reference to the events of Age of Ultron. P. Sokovia equals. It's a small world after all during Lewis' stint as a security guard. Stan Lee during Lewis' trip to the bar. The Winter Soldier during the post-credit sequence. Tales to Astonish during Darren Cross' speech. The Accords during the post-credit sequence. The Accords during the post-credit sequence. That Spider-Man mentioned during Lewis' monologue. That Spider-Man mentioned during Lewis' monologue. The new Avengers shout out when Scott breaks into Stark Industries. The Microverse when Scott shrinks down the quantum realm. The Microverse when Scott shrinks down the quantum realm. The 10 Rings when Darren Cross is selling the Yellowjacket suit. The Triskelion during the S.H.I.E.L.D. flashback. The ant when Scott makes a dog-sized ant. Garrett Morris' car when Scott shrinks for the first time. Stature, she's Scott's daughter.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.